Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you guys my advice for any beginners in the fragrance world or community. So these are just 3 tips which I think are the most important if you are new to the fragrance world. So number 1 is definitely you only need 3 fragrances. So I would suggest getting a fresh and clean fragrance. So something that's pretty safe. Also something that's a bit like more fun and sexy and maybe even like a floral tone to it. And the last one that I would suggest is more of a deeper, like complex woody type scent. Now, of course, that is just my personal opinion. Other people will definitely have their own advice on the 3 types that they would suggest. Also, number 2, you do not need to spray yourself literally all over in the fragrance. So I suggest behind your ears, on your chest, I've even heard on the back of your neck if you like, wrists if you want, and that's it. Do not spray like 100 sprays. Just do, even if you just do your chest and your wrists and the back of your neck, that's literally 4 sprays. So between 4 and 6 sprays would be the maximum you need. You just don't want to be a walking cloud of fragrance that is so intense. That is definitely more off-putting than good. And the last tip that I have for you would be to shop either online or shop around for fragrances with their pricing. The difference in pricing I have seen for some fragrances is actually insane. So if you go into a store, definitely check the online price first because you could save a lot of money, and that is one thing that I think people do not do enough. So if you want to save money, definitely check online, or also the second-hand market. You can pick up some great deals on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, places like that, and you don't have to pay the retail price. So that would be my top 3 things. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you, and as always, I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again. Bye.